advanced in the country pressure the government to find more effective ways of preventing such accident. And now we'll be talking about geosynthetic reinforcement soil system. To be able to understand that, we invited guests from Penny Piso Company and Batang Hamal Company. To start with, here's Engineer Alacion, Engineer De Guzman, and Engineer Tumampos. Ayan, magsisimula po tayo kay Engineer Tumampos. Can you tell us about the overview of our topic today, which is geosynthetic reinforcement soil system?
Hello, Micah, and hello, viewers. Though the use of tensile inclusion in soil structures dates back several thousand years to the construction of religious structures in ancient Babylonia,
It was only 3 decades ago that Henri Vidal, a French architect, pioneered modern reinforced techniques. These techniques involve the incorporation of tensile elements into a soil mass to complement the soil compressive strength
and to improve the mechanical properties of the soil mass.
And Engineer De Guzman?
Tamang sinabi mo, Engineer Tumampos. Gusto ko na lang idagdag yung beginning ng 1970s. Experimentation using geotextile as soil reinforcement was conducted in Europe and United States.
The U.S. Forest Service constructed full-scale wrap-face walls using geotextiles in 1974 and 1975. And the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers began using geosynthetics in reinforcement application in 1978. Under FHWA sponsorship, highway departments in New York, Colorado, and Oregon constructed geotextile reinforced walls in early 1980s.
These successes attracted other candidate forms of plastic inclusions such as geogrids manufactured of polyethylene and coated polyester.
Let's go for Engineer Alacion.
In addition, this and other reinforced soil systems have become known as mechanically stabilized earth, and their use has significantly increased.
The primary types of SME systems which have emerged include mechanically stabilized earth walls, reinforced soil slope, reinforced embankment over soft foundation. MSEW and RSS have become especially important in highway construction as their use reduces the required width of the new right-of-way and facilitates construction within the existing limited right-of-way. RESF are recognized as cost-effective alternative to traditional techniques for constructing earthen embankments over low-strength foundation.
Geosynthetic reinforced soil system includes engineered soil, geosynthetic reinforcement, facing or slope protection system.
Ayan, maraming salamat guys. Marami akong natutunan. I bet same din sa mga viewers. And now, we will be right back after the short break.
Finally, Ariel happened to me. One wash clean sa Labada for just $7.50. Finally, Ariel happened to me. Ang daan sa bulsa, cause it's just $7.50. Finally! Wow!
Pilipinas, celebrate dahil finally, $7.50 na lang ang one wash clean ng Ariel.
Last Vita.
Dahil sa usiyak ang inyong puso, isang kahilingan.
Gusto ko ng sports car, yung red, at may kasamang papa.
Winner!
Hi, babe. Gusto yung sports car? Oo.
And now we're back.
Are you excited now to see our guests for today? Kilalanin natin ang mga engineers for Paying Piso Company. Here's Engineer Manalo, Engineer Tara, and Engineer Dorian. Yeah, good morning, guys. Let's say hi to the viewers for today.
Morning.
And kanina we've discussed about the overview of geosynthetic reinforcement system. Let's proceed now to the common problems and types of our topic. Can we discuss to us?
Yes, Micah. Sa katunayan, we have only one common problem. Ito yung embankment over subsoil. Then yung two major type is yung reinforced steep and slope o yung RSS at yung mechanically stabilized earth walls o yung MSE. Doon muna tayo pumasok sa one common problem. Historically, construction of embankment is costly and environmentally sensitive when very soft soils, especially in wetlands, are encountered. The primary problems of these soft soils result from their low shear strength and excessive consolidation settlements requiring special construction practices and leading to high construction costs. May mga typical solutions tayo para dyan. Una yung removal and displacement of soft soils, displacement of compressible materials by end loading, stage constructions placing fills at controlled rates to allow the consolidation and strength gains, installation of drains to facilitate consolidations, reloading the sites to reduce settlements of the structures and provide higher strength, soft soils modification using admixtures, example nun yung soil, cement, lime, or injections.
And the last typical solution is the reinforcement of the soil matrix using the structural elements.
So ayun nga, nasabi na ni Engineer May yung problema. Doon naman tayo sa two major types of reinforced soil system. And one of the major types of reinforced soil system is the reinforced steep and slope, or RSS.
Like conventional soil slope, reinforced slope are constructed by compacting soil in layers while stepping the face of the slope back at an angle. Subsequently, the face is protected from erosion by vegetation or other protective system ranging from concrete slab to geosol walls and including a wide variety of systems. Additional geosynthetic elements are incorporated into reinforced steep and slope to facilitate drainage, minimize groundwater seepage, and to assure the stability of the steepened slope and the erosion resistance of the facing. And some of its advantages are common geographic features and can be found everywhere with steepness ranging from gentle swales to ultra-steep mountainsides. The full ranges of these terrain features is commonly found adjacent to transportation rights-of-way and building sites. On highway and building projects, relatively flat areas are preferred. These areas must be constructed by excavation or filling in the existing terrain, often leaving significant grade changes at the edges of the excavation.
Reinforced steep and slopes provide the cost-effective means to achieve more efficient grade changes than conventional unreinforced slopes.
At para naman sa huling type nito, ito ang tinatawag na mechanically stabilized earth walls or MSE.
Unlike conventional retaining walls, reinforced soil walls are constructed by compacting fill soil in layers between intermittent horizontal geogrid layers. These geosynthetic elements are incorporated into fill soil to assure the stability of the entire soil/facing system. Retaining walls are a common structural feature located adjacent to highways and building sites in many areas of the country. Retaining walls are popular because their vertical or near vertical faces increase the width of the relatively flat areas which are preferred for both highways and building sites. These areas must be excavated out of the existing terrain, often requiring significant grade changes at the edges of the excavation.
Though there are many types of retaining walls, geosynthetic reinforced soil walls provide vertical grade changes in significantly less cost than conventional retaining walls.
Ayan, thank you guys for guessing our show for today. Maraming salamat at yan. We will be right back after a short break.
Tuwing pumupunta ako dito, naaalala kong lahat. Parang kahapon lang. Parang ang tagal na namin magkakilala.
Tayo ay bata pa.
Yung mga gusto ko, gusto rin niya. Tapos biglang,
Magkahawakan ating kamay at walang kamalay-malay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig na tunay.
at kahit hindi rin naging kami sa huli, siya pa rin ang first love ko.
Hooked on a feeling, I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. Lips as sweet as candy, its taste is on my mind. Girl, you got me thirsty for another cup of wine. Got a bug from you, girl, but I don't need no cure. I just stay a victim if I can for sure. All the good love when we're all alone. Keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on. Hooked on a feeling, I'm high on believing that you're